Morning Claire, here's my video review of the bag. So this is the Osprey Duro 6. They also do a larger version in a 15, which looks quite similar, just slightly more space on the back in this bag in terms of these pockets. So in terms of the features of this bag, so on the jacket you get two of these chest harness zips that just very easily clip into these little sockets on the side here, and that gives it a really good support around your chest and keeps it very tight when you run. And it's probably the best system there is out there compared to some of the ones that are a bit more just like a bag. Now what you get on the front on each side is these pockets here where you can put a water bottle, so these hold 500 mils each, and I'll just affix it in so you can see. So these go in here, and then there's a little red whistle actually as well, but they go around these little grab loops here. So I can do this with one hand. There we go, and then underneath these little things here, so that when you've got it on, it's nice and close to your mouth. It's easy to reach. You can also buy very short little stubby ones just to carry in your hand for other activities. So what else do you get on the front? So you also get these little mesh pockets here, which you can store quite a lot of stuff in. So you could either put something like a pair of gloves if you wanted to do that, or equally, if I just get something like, you could get a little running gel. If you're going slightly longer runs, you could put a running gel or two in there. So that's very useful. And then on this side, on your left hand side, you also get a zipped pocket, which is basically there to put your phone in. So I won't be able to show you, but it's perfect for an iPhone. And so that zips up and keeps it nicely out of the way. So also, if you just go around to the side, when you're wearing it, you've also got some additional mesh pockets here, which are quite a bit bigger, and they're really for stuffing larger amounts of food in. But you could, for example, just give you the size, just so you can get a. Just gonna put it in and then show you. You can get a little icebreaker hat. Small pair of gloves. And that all fits in quite nicely. And you could even get a little bit more in there. So these pockets are quite useful. I mean, they're really for sort of longer distance ultra races to put more food in. And there's one on both sides. So the second one here, but you can see you can get a full hand in there, so there's quite a bit of space. So let's go to the back. So on the back, you basically got a series of pockets. So from nearest to your neck, so there's there's basically three main pockets, all zipped. So 1, 2, 3. So we start in the first one. So in the first one, it's just a single compartment that goes all the way down. See my fingers there, all the way down to the back. Now that sort of is intended to probably put like a 2-litre camelback or something in, and it's got a little camelback loop that you can see where my thumb is, that you could put the tube from your water on. You can also stuff a lot of clothes in there. We might show that in a second. I would highlight that it is next to your back, so it will get quite sweaty, so depending on what you put in there, you might want to put it inside a carrier bag. So the middle pocket is the kind of technical pocket, if you like. So in this pocket, so this pocket only goes about hand width deep, so it's a small one, but it's for all your little odds and sods really. So you get a little key clasp loop, which is quite useful to put your keys on, rings on, anything like that. Open this up. And then also within it, there's two little netted pockets, so they're about sort of finger length deep. So this is really to say clip your keys to, and then they can sit in this netted pocket and they don't jangle around too much as you run. And then there's a slightly wider one, which is probably sort of credit card width side, so you could just say take a bank card with you to get on the tube or the bus home or something. And then the rest of the pocket is reasonably deep. It probably goes, you can see there, about wrist deep. So you could put maybe your wallet in there, some chocolate bars, anything like that. Sort of new important stuff maybe. And then moving to the third pocket. So this is another zip pocket, and these zips go fairly deep. You can see in terms of my hand, they're sort of about a hand width deep in terms of the zip, so you can get quite open. And then this goes all the way down to the bottom again. So this is just one single big pocket. So to recap, the one nearest your back and the one furthest away in your back are just one big pocket to stuff things in. The one on the middle is a sort of half pocket, put with sort of netting and clips. And then additionally, you've got this sort of mesh flex, which you actually clip to the top, over the top of your zips, and you can pull that tight, but it also allows you even more space to stuff extra things in, so maybe like an extra little coat or something. So I am going to pause the video, go and get a couple of extra things and show you all the stuff I can get inside this bag.